You feel overwhelmed, not because you're weak, but because the world is too loud. Millions of stimuli, problem after problem, change chasing change, and you have only one body, one heart, one energetic field. And it wasn't made to carry it all at once. Today we pause together in the middle of the storm, not to silence it, but to find out center. Because the chaos may stay, but you no longer have to follow it. We will do more than just breathe. You will learn to discern what is truly yours and what is just spinning around you. Let's divide the world into two spaces. What you have control over: your breath, your thoughts and responses, your choices, what you accept and what you let go of, your rim and your decision. What do you choose as important today? What may swirl around but no longer controls you? Other people's noise, fear of the future, bureaucratic systems outside your reach, problems that don't have solutions yet. When you see this, when you feel it, you reclaim space and your voice within it. Place your hands on your body, on your belly, on your heart, on your shoulders. Feel where your emotions tighten. Let them speak without judging them. Now take a breath, slowly, deeper than usual. Exhale through your mouth, long and cleansing. Once more. With every exhale, release the pressure. You don't have to do anything, just breathe. Imagine you are standing in the middle of a storm. Everything moves, shakes, changes. Thoughts like hail, emotions like fierce wind, people, problems, decisions spinning around you. Now look down at your feet. There is ground beneath you, solid, steady. Plant your feet firmly. Straighten your spine. Step into the center of the storm. There is silence here. Your silence, your rhythm, your field. Sit here as if by a fireplace, far from the world. Let the chaos remain outside, but no longer enter. This space is yours only, your inner sanctuary, your shelter. Here you are safe. Here you can rest. Now allow your body to soften even more. Let go. Let yourself just be. Invite your higher self from a space of peace, not fear. Ask gently, what truly matters now? And then be still. You don't have to find an answer. You are already held. Let's look at the chaos from the space. Let's look at the chaos from this space. Unpaid bills, unread messages, your child's emotions, your partner's silence, bureaucracy, health, deadlines. You see them all, but you do not let them in. You stay in your center, in your knowing, in your stillness. From chaos you don't emerge through struggle. You return through presence, Repeat with me. Everything may keep happening, and I can remain calm. I choose what enters my field. I return to my rhythm, my truth, my presence. One small step is enough for today. I am rooted in myself. This is my home. I have the right to rest, even if the world doesn't stop. I act from lightness, not from tension. I am not alone. I am guided by the wisdom that created me. Every answer already lives within me. You can return to this space anytime chaos tries to take over. It's not about fighting the world. It's about not losing yourself to it. Take one step. Make tea. Light a candle. Write down one sentence. And let that be enough for now. If this meditation brought your peace, you can support my work. Links are available in the video description. Thank you from my heart.